Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, Budget Meal Friday. Because eating good shouldn't mean going broke. Today we're going to make a dirty rice casserole. The skillet over medium-high heat, or medium heat, we're going to add in 1 pound of ground beef. While the meat's browning, we're going to add in 1 medium onion that we've diced and 1 diced bell pepper. I'm going to season the taste with Cajun seasoning. Now, you ask yourself, why did I just sprinkle that right into there? You see that steam coming off this? You open this up and pour it, or have it right up directly above it. The steam gets trapped in the container and your seasoning starts to clump up. You don't have to sprinkle it in your hand. You can use a big spoon. This way you can keep your seasoning from clumping up. So now we're going to cut off the heat. I'm going to add in 2 cups of cooked rice. Now you can go ahead and completely just eat it now. Let the rice cook up a little bit. You ain't got to bake it, but I'm going to bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees. I'm going to put it in my 9x13 pan. And I will sprinkle a little cheese on the top. I'm going to add about a cup of cheese, give or take. And I'm going to bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Not bad. Could use more seasoning. But, like I keep saying, it's a ChatGPT recipe. And it doesn't give you seasoning besides 1. Sometimes. It cost us right at $15 to make, and it feeds 4 to 6 people. So, other than that, needing more seasoning, it's not a bad price. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.